guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're gonna see the big bonfire. We have to wait until it gets lit, and all because it looks great. So let's do this. Okay, it's about to start and we're ready for the countdown. Are you ready? I got my phone with me, so if it's the clock. So here we go. I'm gonna start out from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We'll go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it, lit now. Take a look at this bonfire. It is humongous. Oh my gosh. Yes. Now I can have a midnight feast with a picnic. So, are you ready? Let's try it. Open it. We've got a Kinder. I got a Dairy Milk Freddo Faces. I've got a drink which is Mars Milk. I've got a fudge, and of course, finally, it's two Dairy Milk bars. It's so awesome. The fire is now lit. It's getting stronger and stronger and higher. Yeah, so I can enjoy it with the bonfire. And sadly, we finished the video, so I hope you all enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in our holiday. Good night to all of you. Bye.